A pleasure to everyone. We are here at RH5 Luna First Street to do a survey interview, and we have and I am Alfad K. Masura, and here we have Leonard Chantogade as our cameraman.
Let's find interview.
2,000 years later.
For our survey here, we have Ate. So, for our question, number 1, can you identify the issue concern being addressed by the initiative in your community?
So, for me po, para maiwasan po natin yung pagkakalat po, kailangan po natin ng rules and regulation po. So, which is, kailangan po natin separate yung mga nabubulok at di nabubulok po ng mga basura po. So,
for the second question naman po, Ate, what was done to address the issue or concern? What was done to address this issue or concern? Ano po pwede gawin para yung concern na ito is nabawa po yung trash issue and consequence na biodegradable and separate waste.
So, para sa akin po, kaya sinabi ko na kailangan natin ng rules and regulation like sa mga basura na nakakita po natin. So, kailangan po natin na yung separate yung mga nabubulok na basura. So,
For the third question, in relation to your answer in question number 2, were you or your family or group consulted on any possible solution to such issues? Parang yes. So, ito po ang third question. In relation to your answer in question number 2, were you or your family or group consulted on any possible solutions to such issues?
for me, yes.
So, for number 4 naman po, have you and your family participated in a similar activity in the past? Yes. Thank you, Father.
Commercial break.
Our next interview is, what is your name?
Shadia Tukan.
Okay, Ate Shadia Tukan, I have a question for you. Number 1, can you identify the issue or concern being addressed by the initiative in your community?
For me, it addresses low community participation.
Okay. Number 2, what was done to address this issue or concern?
They held meetings and programs to address the issue.
In number 3, in relation to your answer in question number 2, have you or your family group consulted on any possible solution to such issues?
No. My family and I were not consulted about the solutions.
Okay. So lastly, have you and your family participate in a similar activities in the past?
Still no.
What a nice answer. That's all for today. Thank you.